I'm not ready. I'm not funny enough to be ready. Hi. Yeah. I'm here with Wifey. Hi, Wifey.
Oh, wow. It didn't even look like you were touching your hair. It just
my hair is, woo! This is my Wifey. Mwah!
Yay, that was
Did we catch it that time? Okay. Last time we totally missed. I think I got her boobs or something. Well, a picture. No. Didn't kiss the boobs. I got, whatever. I don't have to explain to you. You're not my mother. So I'm officially a dork and a really big loser. You should see the videos we've got. It's a little sad. Do you like the green? Is he pretty? Ooh. Oh, I look old up close. Ooh. Anyhow, but she did it. See, yay, Wifey.
Yay, fat face, Wifey.
No.
And I almost elbowed your boob.
Boob?
Boob.
Boob. And that was my boob. But she did it, and don't I look pretty?
Wow.
So yeah, this is ADD at its finest. Yes. Fuck shoes. That's about it.